Oh, sumobra ng kapal.
What happened?
You had too many hair.
Yeah, your hair is
the back
thick.
of me.
Because I was gonna get a mullet.
You know,
My dad wanted a mullet for me, I think.
yeah, the back of me is again retired.
Huh? Hold on.
It's been a long time you're not having a haircut, that's why. Right? You save a lot of money, like $100.
Mom, my mullet's missing now.
Maybe you're not having a haircut for 1 year.
Kapal niya yung buko ko. Ay, thank you. Sige lang, okay na, salamat.
Dinan mo kahit ang banana bread. You guys want banana bread? I put some banana bread. David make banana bread.
Kapal din ito, no?
Yeah.
Yes, go eat some.
It's not enough. Puno agad. Hindi na
I
makayanan.
done
Ito mo isang kayod lang, puno na.
Wyatt, do you want to be bald? No.
It's not bald. I'm not gonna make you bald. I'm gonna make you look good.
What if he wants to be bald?
Sarap ito nga ng banana bread. Yeah.
Salamat.
Para yung mga bata makakain ng banana bread. Para hindi sila gutom.
Go get something, Danica.
Ay, puno na.
Oh my gosh. Magkano bili mo niyan, te?
Alin?
Yan.
Ito.
Mhm.
Regalo sa akin na din. Siguro mga 50, 45.
Mom,
Meron kami nung walang stock ng buhok.
Mom,
Maganda itong
where's
mix.
your mama after that?
Para hindi masyadong nakakati yung mga
Play
bata.
away. Mom, with that.
So now,
He's gonna make you guapo, Wyatt. You know what means guapo, Wyatt?
Wait, what?
Guapo.
I don't know what that is.
It means handsome.
handsome. I'm gonna...
Oh, I thought you said Guatemala. I thought you said Guacamole.
No.
Guacamole.
You know, handsome.
Handsome.
You're real handsome. But your hair, you're like, yeah.
That's from chlorine. You
That's
keep on going
chlorine.
to the swimming pool every week.
That's long time, man. Yep.
Alam mo, bago ka umuwi ng Pilipinas, gagawin natin buhok mo. Bago ka umuwi.
Sige, pag hindi na sila busy.
Oh. Hindi naman masyadong matagal yung
Yeah.
gagawin natin.
Take away now.
Siguraduhin ko sa'yo, malambot. Wala siyang dry.
Why? You haven't washed your hair really good, why? You
Yeah.
have some dandruff.
When you're having a long hair, you got dandruff. Even you wash, yeah.
Yeah, look what happened. I can't stop it. I keep on putting water on it. And it won't work.
Parang ano yun shampoo I think because of shampoo, why?
Saka dry
Yeah.
yung panahon dito. Pagdating yan sa Pilipinas, mahalis yan kasi ano doon, pawisin tayo. Kaso mo, pawisin, kakayuran mo ganyan.
Puto.
I'm going inside. I'm going inside too.
Jay, I'll give you some banana bread. Just sit there.
Yeah, that's yummy. Believe me. David.
I wanna see how you do the hair. Anong gawin mo sa bangs niya, te?
Ito.
I'm gonna get my shoes.
Sinepere ko muna yung ano, yung buhok mo sa taas.
You look good, why? You look like human now.
Human.
Yeah, before you.
Yeah.
What?
You look like monkey before. Pag ginat mo siya, kailangan na rin ganyan.
Bawasan.
You look good, why? I like your hair.
How do I look human again?
Yeah.
I was
You're not-
already
you're not
50%
apes.
human.
Yeah, you're not apes, why?